how to compute mean and standard deviation using Excel. Okay, first you need to click equal sign, then you need to type average, then click the average and double click lang natin. Then we need to highlight the data, then we need to close parentheses, type close, then enter lang natin. Okay, so ito na yung main natin, no? Yung mean, that is the mean average, which is 2.5 based on this data. Okay, and how to compute naman the standard deviation, so equal sign, then you need to type stdiv, so ito stdivp, so click lang natin tong stdivp, double click lang natin. Okay, after double clicking, so we need to highlight example, we need to get the standard deviation and its responses. Example, it is example. Okay, so example, highlight natin ito, and after that we need to close parenthesis, then enter. Okay, so that is the standard deviation of respondent 1. Okay, so para mas madali, we need to get the mean and standard deviation. So highlight lang natin tong dalawa, then we need to double click ito. Pag naka-highlight na, ganun, pag naka-highlight na siya, so we need to click, double click pag naka-dark na yung arrow, so yung cursor natin, pag naka-dark, double click lang natin para automatically mag-distribute yung formulas. Okay, so ito na yung results, and double clicking, so automatically they are giving a mean and standard deviation. So how to adjust the decimal point? Okay, so you need to click this one. Okay, you need to click this one to decrease decimal. Example, less decimal, so ito na. So kung mag-add naman tayo ng decimal, so itong sa kabila, click na lang natin. So gusto mo tagdadalawa yung decimal, that is, click na natin to. So this example how to compute the standard deviation. Okay, and I hope may natutunan kayo, and please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.